Okay, hello everybody, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play Gorilla Tag with Walk Simulator. So basically what you want to do is you want to go to any one of your browsers. I'm going to use Edge for this. Search up Walksim GitHub, enter, and then press this right here. What you want to do, press releases, this, Walksim, download that. So I'm not going to download it again. Then what you want to do, you want to get it from your downloads and put it in the plugins. When you put it in the plugins, go to Steam, go to Gorilla Tag, press play. Press Steam VR mode, press play. Then what you want to do, just wait. Sometimes it doesn't work, so you have to press tab and shift at the same time. That's what I always have to do. So pick up like the Steam status thing, I don't know. Okay, so when you pick up like the Steam status, press the X and hold down tab, hover over this, and just press C and hold shift to run, control C to crouch. And yeah, so you have walk on now. I'm going to go through all the stuff that you need to know. First, if you have a menu, you press C and you hold down Q. I don't know if it only works with it stupid, but I don't know. So these are all the other things. So hover over whatever one you want. So like, if I wanted to press something, I'd have to hover over this. And this. Yeah, like that. And then you want to, if you want to move your arms, you can just scroll wheel forwards, Q, roll forwards. I don't know what the button is to. Normally you could like turn this on your hand around. I don't know how to do. Then this is flat, as you most probably can tell. And then you want to go back to me. So 1 on your keyboard. So all the numbers are 1 through 6. 1 on your keyboard is hello. 2, 1, 3 thumbs up. 4 thumbs down. 5 it's an IDK monkey. 6 is a dance. Then if you want to come up to dance, press tab. So you now have Walksim. To go in third person, you press C. I don't know why you'd want this, because it's really hard to use. But you can do that, and it's really weird. I use first person for my videos. You guys will most probably do it as well. If you don't, that's fine. It's your choice. And bye.